Welcome back to our series, How to Make Money with AI. We're delighted to embark on another journey today, diving into the art of creating better prompts. Picture this. You're standing at the helm of your own AI-driven content ship, bracing the waves of the digital ocean. The right prompts are your compass, guiding you towards engagement, virality, and yes, monetization. So buckle up and let's navigate this vast sea together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. First, we look at crafting shareable content for virality. Creating content that goes viral is like striking gold in the digital world. It's about creating something so engaging, so compelling, that people can't help but share it. This kind of content tends to evoke strong emotions, be it laughter, surprise, or even curiosity. But how do you craft such content? Well, that's where AI comes into play. With the right prompts, AI can help generate content ideas that have the potential for virality. For instance, a prompt like, "Create a list of 10 unexpected ways to use everyday household items," can result in a fun and shareable piece of content. Or, "Write a heartwarming story about a dog saving its owner," can tug at the heartstrings of readers, making them want to share the story with others. Remember, the more shareable your content, the larger your audience reach. Next, we delve into incorporating user-generated content in prompts. User-generated content, or UGC, is a powerful tool for creating prompts that resonate with your audience. It's content created by users for users. This can be anything from comments and reviews to photos and videos. UGC is authentic and relatable. It's real people sharing real experiences. Let's see how AI can generate prompts based on UGC. Imagine you run a travel blog. You can use AI to generate prompts like, "Share your favorite travel memory," or "What's the one place you'd love to revisit?" These prompts encourage users to share their own experiences, creating a sense of community and engagement. Similarly, if you're a brand selling products, AI can generate prompts encouraging reviews like, "Share your experience with our product," or "What improvements would you suggest for our product?" Incorporating UGC in your prompts not only boosts engagement, but also provides valuable insights about your audience. User-generated content adds authenticity and relatability to your content. Our third point focuses on monitoring social listening for prompt ideas. Now you might wonder, what is social listening? It's essentially keeping your ear to the ground in the digital space. It involves tracking conversations around specific phrases, words, or brands, and then leveraging those insights to discover opportunities or create content for your audiences. Imagine you're running a fitness brand. Using social listening, you find that a large number of people are talking about home workouts. You can then instruct your AI to generate prompts around this topic. For example, create a blog post on the top 10 home workouts for beginners, or design a social media post showcasing easy home workout routines. This method is like tapping directly into the pulse of your audience's interests and preferences, and it can significantly enhance the relevance and appeal of your content. Remember, social listening can reveal what your audience truly wants. Moving on, let's discuss interactive elements in social media posts. Interactive content is a game changer. It's not just about broadcasting messages anymore, it's about starting conversations and building relationships with your audience. So, what makes a post interactive? It could be a poll, a quiz, a clickable infographic, or simply a question that invites comments. This kind of content is designed to draw people in, to get them to engage, not just passively consume. Now, how can AI help us here? Well, AI can generate prompts that encourage interaction. For example, an AI might suggest a post like, "What's your favorite way to unwind after a long day? Comment below and let us know." Or for a more business-oriented approach, it could be something like, "We're thinking of launching a new product line. What's one feature you'd love to see?" Interactive content boosts engagement and enhances user experience. And with AI, creating these prompts becomes a breeze. Now, we tackle adapting your message for international audiences. In the globalized world of today, it becomes crucial to ensure your content is understood and appreciated by diverse cultures and languages. This is where content localization steps in. It's not about translating word for word, but conveying the same emotion, humor, and context that your original message intended. Consider this. You've crafted a brilliant AI prompt that's a hit in the United States, but does it resonate the same way with audiences in Japan, France, or Brazil? Probably not. That's why you need localization. Let's imagine an AI-generated prompt example. Say, your original prompt is about American football. For an international audience, you may want to adapt it to talk about soccer or cricket, depending on the region. Remember, The goal is to make your audience feel that the content is created specifically for them. Adapting your message to different cultures can significantly broaden your reach. Let's now delve into SEO strategies for article writing. SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about creating content that search engines like Google can easily find and rank. This is where AI can be a game changer. It can generate prompts that are both SEO-friendly and engaging. For instance, a prompt could be, "How to optimize your website for local SEO." This prompt covers a relevant topic, uses a long-tail keyword, and is specific enough to target a niche audience. Another prompt could be, "Understanding the role of backlinks in SEO." Here we're addressing a fundamental aspect of SEO while using a popular keyword phrase. Remember, SEO isn't just about stuffing your content with keywords. It's about creating quality content that answers your audience's questions and fulfills their needs. AI can help you strike that balance, creating content that is both valuable to your audience and attractive to search engines. Effective SEO can drastically improve your online visibility. Next up, we discuss creating Google Ads that convert. Google Ads, a key player in the world of online advertising, offers a platform where you can showcase your product or service directly to potential customers. However, the magic lies in crafting ads that not only attract attention, but also drive conversions. Enter artificial intelligence. With the help of AI, you can create targeted, compelling advertisements. For instance, an AI bot might generate a prompt like, "Discover a world of flavor with our gourmet coffee beans. Taste the difference today." This prompt is concise, engaging, and highlights the unique selling proposition. Additionally, AI can help tailor your ads based on the user's behavior, preferences, and previous interactions. This level of personalization can significantly increase the likelihood of a click turning into a conversion. Remember, the goal is to create ads that resonate with your target audience. Well-crafted Google Ads can significantly boost your conversion rates. Now, let's explore using humor to boost engagement. Humor is an incredible tool for breaking down walls and connecting with your audience on a personal level. It triggers positive emotions that encourage social interaction, making your content more shareable and memorable. But how do we integrate humor into AI prompts? The key lies in understanding your audience's sense of humor. A prompt like, "Generate a witty response to a common office situation," can yield hilarious results that resonate with your audience. Or, "Create a humorous anecdote involving a cat and a robot," might just give you the next viral cat meme. Remember, humor is subjective. What's funny to one person might not be to another, and that's okay. Don't be afraid to experiment and play around with different styles of humor. And here's a fun fact. AI is getting better at understanding and generating humor, so don't hesitate to leverage this in your content strategy. Humor can be a powerful tool to engage and connect with your audience. Let's now look at setting the right tone for educational content. It's vital to recognize that the tone of your content can significantly influence how effectively the message is conveyed to your audience. In educational content, a tone that is both engaging and informative is key. Think of it as a conversation rather than a lecture. To create such a tone, you need to understand your audience's needs and expectations. Are they beginners or experts in the field? What's their preferred learning style? Answers to these questions can guide the tone of your content. For instance, an AI-generated prompt for beginners might read, "Demystifying the world of artificial intelligence, a beginner's guide." For experts, it could be, "Exploring the complexities of machine learning algorithms." Remember, the tone of your content should invite curiosity, foster understanding, and promote learning. The right tone can make your educational content more engaging and understandable. Our penultimate point is measuring prompt effectiveness with engagement metrics. This is a crucial step in the process, as it allows us to understand how our content is performing. Engagement metrics are like a compass, guiding our content creation strategies by telling us what works and what doesn't. For example, if we were to use an AI to create a prompt for a blog post, we would measure its effectiveness by looking at metrics such as the number of views, shares, comments, and the time spent on the page. We might generate a prompt like, 5 ways to stay motivated during remote work. After publishing our content, we closely monitor these metrics. If we see a high number of views and shares, it indicates that our prompt was effective. Similarly, we can use AI to generate prompts for social media posts and measure their effectiveness using metrics such as likes, shares, comments, and retweets. Engagement metrics are key to understanding your content's performance. Finally, we discuss utilizing AI for social listening-driven prompt ideas. The world of social media is a treasure trove of insights and ideas. Every comment, share, and like is a data point that can be analyzed to understand audience behavior, trends, and preferences. Enter social listening, the process of monitoring these digital conversations to understand the audience's sentiments and feedback. AI takes social listening to the next level. It's not just about tracking mentions and hashtags anymore. AI can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, uncovering deeper insights and trends that would be impossible to spot manually. It can identify emerging patterns, predict future trends, and provide a more comprehensive understanding of the audience. These insights can be used to generate relevant and engaging prompt ideas. For example, if AI identifies a rising trend of eco-consciousness among your audience, you could generate prompts around sustainable living or green technology. In conclusion, AI can significantly enhance your content creation process. So, there you have it, 12 ways to create better AI prompts. We've journeyed through crafting shareable content for virality, incorporating user-generated content in prompts, and monitoring social listening for prompt ideas. We've explored interactive elements in social media posts, adapting your message for international audiences, and SEO strategies for article writing. We've delved into creating Google Ads that convert, using humor to boost engagement, and setting the right tone for educational content. We've also examined measuring prompt effectiveness with engagement metrics, utilizing AI for social listening-driven prompt ideas, and crafting AI-generated interactive elements for social media. Each of these strategies is designed to help you create better, more effective prompts that can enhance your success rate with AI. Remember to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of our series, How to Make Money with AI. These are just some examples to guide you in making the most out of AI. Until next time.